Hi, I'm Matt Villani, and I'm a lawyer with the law firm of Ginarte, González Winograd. Often, I'm asked by people why it is so important to see an attorney soon after an accident in which they are injured. Many people think there's always a 2-year statute of limitations to bring any personal injury claim, and therefore there's no need to see an attorney early on. That view is not only short-sighted, but also incorrect. First, as a preliminary matter, there is a very important need for your attorney to start investigating the accident and gathering evidence and identifying potential witnesses and identifying potential parties that may be liable to you. Your attorney can also begin preserving evidence as witnesses may move or the accident scene may change in some critical respects, or a defect which caused your accident may be repaired, and your attorney can make sure photos of the defect are taken. Additionally, many times an attorney is able to secure surveillance video of an accident before the surveillance video is taped over. If you do not have an attorney doing this for you early on, you are putting yourself at a distinct disadvantage, as you can be certain that the insurance company is doing the same on their end in preparing to defend any claim which may be made or brought by you. Sadly, people are very often surprised to learn that when bringing a claim for personal injuries against a governmental or public entity or an agent or employee of a public entity, that they must provide that entity with strict notice requirements known as a tort claims notice within 90 days of their accident, or they may have forever waived their rights to bringing any lawsuit or receiving any compensation for their injury. Seeing an attorney early on is also important because many insurance companies require notice of an injury within several months in order for them to pay for medical bills accrued as a result of an accident. Now, with respect to the so-called 2-year statute of limitation, there are many instances where this is just not true. As I just briefly mentioned, if you sue a governmental entity or a public employee, you have to give notice within 90 days. Another example is if you were injured at a carnival or an amusement park, you have 90 days to report the accident, or else you can be potentially barred for bringing a claim forever. Another example is if you are injured as a result of the Port Authority. In that case, not only do you have to give notice within 90 days, but you also have a 1-year, not a 2-year statute of limitations to bring a claim. Now, for more information on this topic, go to our website at ginarte.com and read some of our blogs on our website.